everyone. Today I'm really excited because this first impression I've been waiting to do it. This came last week itself. So this is the natural nude collection. You can look at the bag. Whoever got the what is it called? I think it's Amore collection. So they have this bag in a different color, so they know how pretty it is. It's such a wonderful bag to have because it holds so much actually. So this came with 3 glosses, so perfect for a person who likes nude. So all 3 are matte glasses. So here we have latte, toffee and tiramisu. So this is the first impression I'm going to do for today. This will be really perfect for people who doesn't like a lot of color and going with neutrals. Then this is your absolute choice because they will add just tiny like color to the lips, but at the same time they are going to be moisturizing, so they are perfect for your everyday wear. And like last week Soumya was saying, I love my browns with my yellows, so that's how I go about it. So the first one I'm going to go is obviously toffee. This will be the lightest of all. This is a cream beige lip color. It resembles one more. I will see what its name. Yes, it reminded more of Brooklyn to me, but you can see the difference. Brooklyn is more orangish compared to toffee, so I'm wrong. So this is again a new color. So this is the first one I'm going to do. So here you can always wear it really light or you can go darker. So this is toffee on me. You can see it's like a very light tint. It won't add much color to yours. I would say it's similar to Bella Glossy. If you have had a Bella Glossy, you will understand what I'm talking about. It will be like a very natural nude tint to the color. So for example, you will not understand when I'm wearing on top of just my lips. Maybe when you wear on top of a pink lip color or a red lip color, then you will understand how this color adds a tint to it. Going forward in the coming days, maybe I will show you the gloss on top of those kind of shades, but there is no glitters in all 3 shades. It's the I won't, this is not, when I say matte, sometimes it doesn't mean matte finish. Here the matte consists of there is no glitters or no shimmering particles, so that's how I sometimes mention it as a matte color, because you can see it's just the pigmented shade but there is no glitters added to it. So this is such a perfect one for everyday wear. So this is toffee on me, which is like a just brownish nude, beige kind of nude, I would say. So let me take the picture and come back and do the next one. So I have removed it, and next one we are going to go is latte. So this has a little pink tint to it, so that's how the description says. So let's go ahead and see. These are perfect for your everyday wear actually, because they have vitamin E and shea butter, so that way it is like moisturizing. I feel like this, even though they are glossy finish, they still are little thicker consistency like the matte glosses. You can see it still has the glossy finish, but it's somewhat thicker than the normal other glosses, I would say. I thought I like tiramisu more because obviously the color will show up even without a color. This actually is really pretty. So if you love a little bit tint of pink, then latte would really work for you. And I always suggest going with nude pink, nude honey, even hazelnut. All those shades underneath will give a nice base to these shades and you can rock it. Even icicle, which is like a clear lip sense, can work really well on below this, or even some of the shades like rose quartz, gingerbread, or those colors are like barely there nude shades where you can still top it with these kind of what is it, like a pigmented lip gloss on top of it, whereas it is not as pigmented like Stella Gloss or a Scarlet, which are like red or more prominent purples. These are very subtle glosses. Instead of glossy or matte, clear matte, this will be a nice go-to, because that way you have your color, but at the same time, when the day you don't want to wear color, you can just wear it underneath with just like a as I said, any one of those nude shades. Just one layer should be fine for these glosses to hold on, because I'm still not what is it, like a person who wears the gloss on its own, unless it's a pH gloss. If it is a custom pH gloss, you can wear it on its own, because they will stay longer, because they meant to wear by its own. So these glosses I always prefer to have lip sense color underneath, which is like it holds on really well, and it will stay longer. That way I don't have to reapply. But if you're using for kids or anybody, this is perfect, because it will have a very slight tint. At the same time, it will be so moisturizing. Once you start using lip sense, your lips become healthier. That main reason is because of this one, because it has vitamin E and shea butter, so it's going to keep it moisturized throughout the day, and you won't have any chapped lips at all. If you're a nude lover and also pink lover, then this is your must have, I would say. I so far the one I really loved is Bella Glossy, because I am always a glossy person. Like I love glossy gloss or on any on top of any of the lip sense colors, because you will be able to show the color as it is. But Bella Glossy is one I always grab it otherwise. So this will be very closer to Bella Glossy, I would say. So the last one in the collection is obviously Tiramisu, which is like a terracotta shade with a glossy texture. This is the one I was waiting to try, because Persimmon, Brick and Currant are three of my lip sense shades I really love. Similar way, I love Americano as my eye color any time of the day, and these days Americano is my favorite blush too. So that way I was so interested to try the shade when I saw it, and even the video they posted, it looked amazing. So that's the one we are going to try, the last one. This is the darkest of all three. My goodness. Oh, I really love it. It goes beautiful on our ethnic skin tone, and it shows up really well even without any lip sense color. So it just I did 2 coats on me, because as I said, I don't have any lip sense color underneath. But if I had any lip sense color, then even one layer of this will show up immediately. So coming days I will definitely do this shade on someday when I get ready, and I will show you guys how it looks on lips and shade on top. But it's so pretty. I think sometimes the videos don't do justice to pick a shade at all. When I post the picture outside in sunlight, you will clearly see how vibrant this one is. In my pictures, it's never filtered or never what is it, like made any changes to it, because my first impressions, I want you to see the color as it is. Even I may do if it is too dark today and all, it's sunny, so I don't have to do anything. The only thing I would always do is brighten up the picture a little bit if it is a foggy day here, but here it's a sunny day, so I don't even have to do anything with my pictures. You can see it's so pretty. It is perfect for everyday wear and also fall. And if you buy as a collection, then you get the bag free. So if you grab all 3 glosses, then this bag comes free, but you can grab them individually. I have many people who grabbed Tiramisu when I posted the what is it, like the picture and the video. But as I said, if you're a pink lover, then pick latte, or if you want like a beige shade tone, then pick toffee. But all 3 you can have it for everyday wear, and you will be able to pair it with all your lip sense colors, and they will look amazing. So that's the first impression of the natural nude gloss collection. Hope you have enjoyed it. Have a wonderful day, guys.